Artificial intelligence has produced us a list of business grants that you can apply for, and this list alone has more than $500,000 in grants, and it includes the deadlines. As you can see, it tells you when you need to apply by for each of the grants that they have listed, and you can hover over the different links and click them. So stay tuned for this video so I can show you what system we're using and what exact prompts we use to get this information. Are you looking for ways to fund your business and you primarily want to apply for some free business grants? Then this video is for you. So in this video, I'm going to be going over how to use AI and ChatGPT or BART to find different grants in your city. So we're going to go over step by step of the different things that you can type in to get a list of the different grants that you can apply to. And all of this is going to be using artificial intelligence. But first, let's talk about grants as a whole. So one thing about grants, especially now, is that everybody wants to get a grant, and grants are going to be very competitive to get. So just because you apply for a grant doesn't mean you're going to get it, because right now everybody is applying for grants. So you want to make sure that you have at least a business plan in place already, and you can show that your business is either making money or you have a great plan for your business to make money. And the thing with grant applications, they're looking for businesses that are unique and competitive. So you want to make sure that your business hits those points when it comes to applying for these grant applications, because like I said, it's very competitive. But I'm going to show you how to find those different grant applications either in your city, your state, or in the United States. And also, if you want me to do a breakdown of how to apply for grants, actually fill out the application using AI, artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, drop that in the comment section below. But for this video, let's head over and find those grants. To start off this demonstration, we are going to use Bard by Google. So Bard is B-A-R-D. And the reason that I'm using Bard over ChatGPT is because Bard uses Google's search engine and they have the most up-to-date information versus ChatGPT. If you're using the free version, then it only has information going up to 2021. And I want to give you all the most accurate information when it comes to finding grants for your business. And as you know, with any AI tool, the most important thing is going to be your prompt. So we're going to start with asking Bard if they can act as a small business grant locator. So I'm going to go ahead and type that in. And they're probably going to give us a few suggestions. So let's see what they say. Okay, so they just give us some local ones. So they give us grant.com, the SBA, Small Business Development Center, but we want to get more specific. So we're going to enter another prompt. So the next prompt that I'm going to enter is, can you provide a list of grants for more than $10,000 for small business owners? I'm going to do awarding. So let's change the prompt a little and let's see what they provide. So they have the SBA microloan program, which will provide you a loan of up to $50,000. They have the Kaufman Foundation Startup Grants, provide you up to $10,000. Google for Startups, Black Founders Fund, and this provides funds up to $100,000 for Black-led startups. Innovate Her Challenge, the grand prize is $40,000. There are also two $20,000 and three $10,000 prizes, and then it has the Women's Net, and that grant is for $10,000. There are also four $1,000 runner-up prizes. Now we're going to take it a little step further and ask them, can you provide 10 more? Question mark. And anytime Bard gives you a response and you want more answers, you can ask them, can you provide 10 more? And it's going to provide 10 more of what you just asked, if they have that information available. And one thing that I love about Bard is you can hover over these links and you're actually able to click them. So now we have some more. So they have the Verizon Small Business Digital Ready Grant, which provides $10,000 grants. The FedEx Small Business Grant Competition. This contest awards $250,000 in grants to 10 small businesses. The grand prize is $30,000. The Caesar Workplace Grant provides $75,000 to businesses that are creating dog-friendly workplaces. Comcast Rise, and so forth. So they're giving you a lot of different grants. Like this one is for $50,000. A lot of different grants that you can apply for your business. But we're gonna keep asking Bard more questions so we can get more specific answers based on what we're looking for in our business. So now we're gonna ask, can you provide a list of 15 grants in the United States that are currently accepting applications for small businesses? Because you want to make sure it does provide you grants that's in your area. And we're going to do it city-based and state-based. And some of these might be the same as before, but this is just showing you how to enter the prompts in so you can take some of these prompts and enter it in when it comes to you searching for grants for your business. So I do want to provide you with a variety of different prompts that you can use. Okay, now you see a lot of these are the same ones that they provided before. Okay, this is a different one. Now we're just going to ask it, can you provide 10 more? And one thing that I love about Bard is, as you can see, the deadline to apply is August 15, 2023, July 31st. Oh, let me go back up. Well, we can start here. August 15, 2023, July 31st, 2023, August 15, 2023. So pay attention to those deadlines as you continue to look at these different grants. And you want to make sure you get the most up-to-date information. So anytime you're applying for new grants, go ahead, add the information in Bard so you get a new list every time you log in and you're not just saving the same old list. Now let's move on to the next one. Now we have it United States wide. Now we're going to do for the state of Texas, because I'm doing Texas because that's where I'm located. So I'm going to do, can you provide a list of grants for small businesses in the state of Texas? And you'll do whatever state you're in, you'll do the exact same thing. Okay, so as you can see, they are listing the ones that are just for Texas. So Texas Enterprise Fund, Texas Small Business Credit Initiative, Texas Workplace Commission, the Texas SBA, the Texas Department of Commerce. Now we're going to do it for our Pacific cities. And also with this one, you can always do the can you provide 10 more, but since we already did that on the previous ones, I'm not going to do it for this one. But now I am going to ask it for a list of grants that are for the city of Dallas. And one thing that I'm not going to go over in this video that you can do with your industries that you can do, can you provide a list of grants for small businesses? Let's say you are in the beauty industry. You'll do small businesses in the beauty industry in the city of Dallas. So you'll just put whatever industry you're in and you're going to be asking Bard all of this information. So as you can see, it does have the ones that are located in Dallas, Texas. So it has the Dallas Black Chamber of Commerce grants, the Dallas Hispanic Chamber, the City of Dallas Small Business Recovery Fund, the North Texas Community Foundation grants. And you want to make sure that these grants are up to date. So just as you're clicking them, because you know with these links we can hover over them and click them. So you want to make sure they are the most up to date. And as you know with our prompts, you can always ask them to do the ones that are currently accepting applications. So make sure you include that in your prompts. Now, and for this one, since one of the things that I love showing is I love looking up pitch competitions. So pitch competitions along with grants are another great way to fund your business. So I'm just going to type in, can you provide a list of 2023 pitch competitions for the state of Texas? And you'll do that for whatever state that you're in. And just like that, we have a list of pitch competitions. So we have South by Southwest 2023. Grand prize is $100,000. The Beacon State Fund, they do grand prize is $25,000. Also two $10,000 prizes. The Tech Fuel pitch competition, grand prize is $100,000, and also two $25,000 prizes. Launchpad at the Capitol, grand prize is $50,000. There are also two $25,000. And the Dallas Startup Week pitch competition, grand prize is $25,000. There are also two $10,000 prizes. So that sums up how you can use Bard to find different grant applications or different funding that's currently out there. You can find pitch competitions. Everything is going to be based on the prompt that you're inserting. So you want to use the exact same prompts that I use, that's perfectly fine. You can remix them. And as you continue entering your prompts, they're going to start knowing exactly what you're looking for. Because as you can see, there's a lot of grants that are geared towards black women, because they probably know that I'm a black woman, because I'm always on here searching up different things that cater to black women. So whatever you're searching for, make sure Bard gets familiar with you and your business so they can give you more tailored results. And I'm actually going to pull up ChatGPT so you can recognize the difference, because when I say Bard has the most up-to-date information, it truly does. But we are going to go to ChatGPT just so I can show you what I mean when I say their information is not that up-to-date and is not as specific as Bard. And I'm just going to type in some of the same prompts. So, can you act as a small business grant locator? Okay, so as you can see right here, it says that the AI language model cannot directly access real-time databases or specific grant details beyond my September 2021 knowledge cutoff. So I feel like with that being said, there's no reason for us to continue putting in prompts, because they're already letting us know that it cuts off at September 2021. So that information is not going to help us at all. So for grant applications, you want to use Bard by Google. Thank you so much for watching this video today, and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media channels, which is I am Destiny Adams on pretty much everything. If you need one-on-one help with your with any business plans, just pick my brain consultation. Go ahead, sign up on my website, IamDestinyAdams.com, and make sure you stay tuned for the next video. Peace.